Perfect CV in 2 minutes. Your CV gets just 6 seconds to make an impression. That's all the time a recruiter needs to decide whether to keep reading or move on. So if your CV doesn't look clear, relevant, and professional at first glance, it may never get a second chance. Here's how to make every single second count. Start with a clean, professional header. Your name should stand out, followed by your contact details. Use a proper email address, not your college nickname or something casual. Add your phone number with country code, your city, and a working LinkedIn profile link. This section is simple, but it instantly tells recruiters whether you're serious about your career or not. Next comes your professional summary. For example, marketing graduate with 3 internships, seeking a digital marketing role to increase brand awareness. This is one of the most important parts of your CV, because it appears right at the top. Write 2 to 3 strong lines that clearly describe who you are and what you're looking for. Mention your degree, highlight your key skills, and state your career goal. And whenever possible, use numbers to show impact. Now let's talk about your experience and education. Always list them in reverse chronological order, starting with the most recent. When writing bullet points, begin with strong action verbs like managed, created, or increased. This makes your experience sound active and results-driven. But don't stop there, quantify your results whenever you can. Increased social media engagement by 40% is far more powerful than simply saying managed social media. Numbers help recruiters see the value you can bring to their company. Finally, add your relevant technical skills and languages. Keep your formatting clean, consistent fonts, spacing, and alignment. Always save your CV as a PDF to avoid layout issues. Fix these 4 sections, your header, summary, experience, and skills, and your CV will start working for you, even when you're not in the room. Follow for more career tips and take one step closer to landing your next opportunity.